For today's installation, you're going to need the following tools: a 6mm hex and a 13mm wrench. To do the installation, we're going to be mounting our single helmet lock, and these can go on either side, this side or this side, and it fits between the plastic and this metal frame of your seat. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your bolt and your washer through. It's not going to fit through the plastic. You need to go behind it. Take another washer and put it on the bolt. And then you have your lock nut that goes on there. And you can orient it either straight down, but we always go all the way to the side. It gives you more room for attaching your helmet. Now you can go ahead and take your wrench, put it on the lock nut, and then start tightening it. The installation of the second helmet lock is exactly the same. Take your bolt with the washer, put it through the slot behind the plastic. Then your washer goes on the back side. Then your lock nut, and start tightening. 13mm wrench, 6mm hex, and the installation is complete. To use your helmet lock, simply put in the key, turn it, and that'll open up your ring. Put your D-rings from your helmet, turn it, and now your helmet is secure.